Gupta, Director SMART. I request everyone to please welcome our leaders, our visionaries with a bigger and thunderous round of applause. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us here. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Piyush to please come and give us the insight about the legacy of SMART. Sir, everyone would like to listen from you that what legacy SMART holds. So I'm sure there are so many things with you that you all want to share here with us. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Sangeeta. Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
I can't hear much voices listening to me, much faces here. So, good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Great, better now. So, मुझे लगता है कि संगीता ने बहुत कुछ छोड़ा है मेरे को बताने के लिए। नहीं, यहाँ पे हो। So, I don't think she had left much for me to speak because I was seeing on screen and she had covered most of the points I was to tell to you here. But yes, I will just recap whatever she might have shown to you or might have missed to you. So, as you people know that Smart Reality was earlier V3S and we have made our projects in Delhi by the name V3S. So, we have 8 projects, 8 malls operational in Delhi as of now. We have got close to 25 commercial developments, LSCs, CSCs in Delhi. So the group started, we were earlier dealing into lands way back from 1985. Our chairman, Mr. Jackson Gupta, Bauji kehte hain unko. So he started in 1980s or maybe before that. And from 2000 onwards, we are into development of shopping malls. It's been now 24 years. We had made 8 malls in Delhi. We are the owners of 2 hotels. One is the Crown Plaza in Rohini, other one is the Holiday Inn where you are sitting right now. At the same time, the visionaries and Mr. Saurabh Gupta, Mr. Abhi Gupta, they are the 3rd generation of the family who have taken the reins now of the group and looking for many good projects to come up. I would just like to apprise you about something that I've brought with me, just to tell you that why we are a little different from other developers, right? Because देखो buildings तो सभी बनाते हैं, commercial buildings भी बनाते हैं, residential buildings भी बनाते हैं. So इतने सारे लोग हमारे को आज सुन रहे हैं, हमारे कुछ इसमें पुराने phases हैं जो हमको बहुत टाइम से जानते हैं, कुछ इसमें नए phases हैं जो जिनका introduction अभी हमारे से हुआ है. So I would like to apprise, I would like to focus address to them that why Smart is known for. So what are the strengths of Smart? So one of the biggest strengths I would say is the timely delivery of projects. In real estate, particularly commercial real estate, delivery of projects is a big issue, right? And हम सभी को पता है, हम सब लोग इस ट्रेड से हैं, हम सब लोग जानते हैं इस इंडस्ट्री को. लोग प्रोजेक्ट्स शुरू तो कर देते हैं, लेकिन उन प्रोजेक्ट्स की डिलीवरी नहीं हो पाती. So उसकी वजह से जो हमारे इन्वेस्टर्स हैं, जो आप लोगों के क्लाइंट्स हैं और जो हमारे इन्वेस्टर्स हैं, दे हैव टू सफर अ लॉट, राइट? उनका जो हार्ड एंड मनी है विच दे आर इन्वेस्टिंग इनटू प्रोजेक्ट्स, वो अगर टाइम से उनको रिटर्न नहीं दे पाएगा तो दे फील लिटिल चीटेड अबाउट दैट. सो वी हैव अ ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड ऑफ डिलीवरिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स बिफोर टाइम कमिटमेंट, राइट? एंड हमारा थोड़ा स्ट्रेटेजाइज हम अपने आप को कैसे करते हैं दैट वी ऑलवेज एंटिसिपेट द फंड रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ अ स्पेसिफिक प्रोजेक्ट, और उसको हम एक बार में हम बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स नहीं बनाते हैं, 2 प्रोजेक्ट 3 प्रोजेक्ट, उनके भी हम फंड्स पहले से बात करते हैं, उसके हिसाब से उसको कंप्लीट करके डिलीवर करके देन वी स्टार्ट अदर प्रोजेक्ट्स. सो वी गॉट क्वाइट गुड लैंड बैंक्स इन डिफरेंट एरियाज ऑफ दिल्ली एनसीआर, बट इसमें ऐसा नहीं है कि ये भी शुरू कर दिया, ये भी बेचना शुरू कर दिया, ये भी बेचना शुरू कर दिया. So we deliver one project and then we come to the other one, deliver the other one. We have a proper schedule to that. Other things we always keep in mind is the आर्किटेक्चर पार्ट ऑफ इट. सो समय की रिक्वायरमेंट्स को देखते हुए, जैसे आज हम देखें कि मॉडर्न आर्किटेक्चर बड़ा लोग पसंद करते हैं, वेदर इट इज अ नॉन एयर कंडीशन बिल्डिंग और इट्स एयर कंडीशन बिल्डिंग, बट कोई नॉर्मल आर्किटेक्चर में नहीं इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाहते. दे वांट समथिंग न्यू, दे वांट समथिंग which is modern and which really yields better returns to the investor. So for that we have got national and international architecture associated with us. Like अभी जो हमारे प्रोजेक्ट सेक्टर 89 में मैडम ने भी बताया, so Bentel Associates are the architects for they are from South Africa. So entire stream of projects have been designed by them. Similarly, Vishta Square, which is a centrally air-conditioned modern Sector 82A, that has also been designed by Mental Associates. Other than that, the biggest point I should mention, and it is quite evident where we are right now, Sapphire 90. Other than my malls in Delhi, which are 8 malls and other commercial complexes, more than 95% occupancy we achieve in 2 to 3 years of starting a building, of making it operational. This has been a track record of the group. Now the benefit what your investors would get for an occupied building, one, they get either the returns in terms of rentals from the occupants or they will get returns in terms of appreciation of the asset. आप देखिए बिल्डिंग्स बनाते सारे हैं, लेकिन जितने मैं किसी का यहाँ पे नाम लूंगा नहीं, लेना नहीं ठीक लगता, लेकिन बिल्डिंग जो तैयार है अगर खाली है तो वहाँ पे कभी रेट नहीं बढ़ते। जो बिल्डिंग्स तैयार हैं और ऑक्यूपाइड है वहीं पे रेट्स बढ़ते हैं, वहीं पे ट्रांजैक्शन होती हैं और वहीं पे इन्वेस्टर्स को रिटर्न्स मिलते हैं। तो इस चीज़ का हम लोग बड़ा, हमारी एक टीम है, लीजिंग टीम है, सेपरेट टीम है, इट इज एब्सोल्युटली फ्री आफ्टर सेल सर्विस टू आवर इन्वेस्टर्स एंड वी कीप अ वॉच ऑन दैट। उनसे हम लोग लीज राइट्स लेके, इट्स नॉट अ कमिटमेंट कि हम लीज पे लगाते हैं, पहली बात, वी नेवर डू कमिटमेंट, बट वॉट एवर प्रोडक्ट वी सेल वी ऑलवेज ट्राई टू कन्विंस आवर इन्वेस्टर्स दैट यस दिस इज अ बेटर डील फॉर यू टू गिव अ प्रॉपर्टी ऑन लीज सो दैट यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग द रिटर्न्स। एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ये बड़ा मेजर पॉइंट है कि हमारे पास में रिपीटेड इन्वेस्टर्स है, वी गॉट अ बिग इन्वेस्टर्स बेस एंड सो मच सो, मतलब वो कहते हैं ना अपने मुंह मियाँ मिट्टू वाली बात, लेकिन एक्चुअल में ये बात है कि हम कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च करते हैं, जो इन्वेस्टर्स हमारे साथ में पहले से जुड़े होते हैं उनका खुद ही अप्रोच कर लेते हैं, उनको पता लगता है कि हाँ भी ठीक है ये लोग प्रोजेक्ट लेके आ रहे हैं, बुक स्पेसेस विद अस, सो थोड़ा कंसीडर एडवांटेज ऑफ हैविंग रिपीटेड इन्वेस्टर्स विद अस। इंटरनेशनल नेशनल ब्रांड्स तो होते ही हैं, जहाँ पे आप देखो मॉल्स हैं हमारे पास में, चीनको मैडम ने बताया था 350 इंटरनेशनल नेशनल ब्रांड्स हैं, वो ऑलरेडी सोर्स। और एक बात और मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा, मैंने आपको बोला कि यहाँ पे कई सारे फेसेस हैं जो बहुत पुराने से हमारे को जानते हैं। सो जितने भी चैनल पार्टनर, मैं उनको फ्रेंड्स कहूँगा, आप भी सारे फ्रेंड्स हो, सो यू गॉट फ्रेंड्स विच आर एसोसिएटेड विद अस फ्रॉम लास्ट मोर देन 20 years. You can say consultants, you can say brokers, you can say whatever you want to say. लेकिन हमारे साथ जो काम कर रहे हैं पिछले 20 साल से, ऐसे भी यहाँ पे लोग हैं जो पिछले 20 साल से ज़्यादा से मेरे साथ में काम कर रहे हैं, एंड हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे हैं वो आगे 20, 30, 50 सालों तक हमारे से आगे काम करेंगे। सो ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू से दैट कंपनी की जो पॉलिसीज हैं, कंपनी की जो स्टाइल ऑफ वर्किंग है, इज ऑलवेज बीन टू टेक पीपल अलॉन्ग विद देम एंड देन मूव फॉरवर्ड, राइट। और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात जो, अब लास्ट ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लूँगा, तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात जो मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा इज दैट वी डोंट सेल और मार्केट आवर प्रोडक्ट्स विथ फॉल्स कमिटमेंट्स। मेरे को कई बार सेल्स टीम ने, और ये यहाँ पे हमारे रोहित जी जानते हैं या फिर और लोग जो सेल्स देखते हैं, मेरे को कई बार लोग अप्रोच करते हैं कि नहीं सर ये चीज़ लिखवा दो आप, ये तो सब लोग करते ही हैं, हम नहीं करते, हमारा माल बिके ना बिके, लेकिन बिकेगा हमेशा ट्रू कमिटमेंट्स है। हम ये नहीं कहते कि भैया बता को छोड़ दो, दिखा को छोड़ दो और मतलब आप डिलीवर को छोड़ दो। So there are many aspects to it which we very strongly believe that whatever you are delivering, whatever you are committing to the people should actually be fulfilled. So that is our some biggest strengths. Thank you so much guys. Please enjoy the meeting.
Thank you so much, sir. Of course, if there will be timely delivery with good architect and good ROI, as sir has said, because people are investing and getting good returns, why will not people and investors come back again? That is why there is a trust and there is a commitment that the people who are investing are coming again to invest. Thank you so much, sir, for such inspiring and insightful presentation. Your words have truly captured the essence of Smar's incredible journey and enduring legacy. Now let us continue to honor this legacy and contribute to its bright future. Thank you so much, sir. Now, after this, I would like to invite Mr. Saurabh to please come and share the vision of Smar. As sir has told, the legacy that Smar has. Now, I would request Mr. Saurabh to please come forward. As sir said that you are the third generation, so of course we all will get to know that what vision we have with Smar. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much. First of all, thank you everyone for being here. And Or as you all know about our project in Sector 89, Vista Corner. So it is a mixed-use development. It is a development of 12.5 acres. It's a commercial development. It has a 1200 square feet of front. It has projects by the name of Vista Corner, Vista Center, Vista Avenue, and then so it has 3 projects over there: Vista Corner, Vista Center, Vista Avenue in it, and then we have a good project of by Godrej by the name of Godrej Zenith. So our vision regarding this project, regarding this sector, was to come up with a good organized commercial retail, high street retail, which will have everything. Like if your family would come over there, either for a weekend or on a weekday, they would be willing to spend good 5 to 6 hours over there. It has a combination of good multiplexes, hypermarket, anchor stores, and all the good amenities with good ample number of parking spaces in it. Our vision regarding this project, the whole community was, आपके project में यहाँ पे कोई भी आता है, they should have a good amount of shopping regarding आपका apparels हो, आपके supermarkets हो, multiplexes हो, gym areas हो, and everything regarding it, either office spaces, and it will be having a biggest आपका जो entertainment area होता है. We have the biggest entertainment area within this community over here, and as you all know, we have a project by the name of Vista Avenue. Vista Avenue is a 6 lakh square feet of development, which the developer, the Smart Realty, will be retaining itself. उससे हमारी लीजिंग टीम को, हमारे इन्वेस्टर्स को, सबको बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस आता है that the developer has a good interest over there in the whole community over there. We have a good leasing team by us, which is being headed by Piyush. We have one more project by the name of Vista Square, which is bang on NH8. It is a 5 lakh square feet of mall, which is being retained by the developer, by the company. It has good 7 anchors, shopper shop, Spar, food court by Eatery, and the Time Zone, Intune, Home Stop. And we are coming up with a good branded hotel in Sona. It is the biggest hotel in Sona, which will be 225 keys by the name of JW Marriott. And I'd like to hand over to Abhay for the vision.
Hello everyone.
Good evening.
So why we are here is because we look forward for a long-term association with everyone present here. It's not only about these particular projects, but in the long term, the longer vision is to create a community. And as we just told, we're trying to create destinations, not only malls or high street retail for shopping, but destinations wherever we are entering bigger projects, bigger entertainment, bigger shopping, bigger food, everything on a bigger scale. So that when our hub comes in place, everything else, it doesn't matter, everyone has to come there. And it's not only about these projects. Our long-term vision is to be the biggest in the industry, biggest in the market, and all our steps are slowly moving in that direction. We want to create value for everyone, for us, for our channel partners, for our investors, and this is one way to look at it. Also, we are trying to diversify our portfolio. So in the long run, we want to, we've got FSI for residential, for commercial, for office spaces, which is the long-term vision of the group that by 2035 we'll be everywhere in every real estate development sector which we can think of. And we just want your support for that. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I would like to thank Mr. Saurav and Mr. Abhay for coming and telling us their vision, and the way they spoke, the way he said that we are just taking little steps toward it. I can actually tell the vision because they're already growing with so much pace, and all those malls that they just showed, still he's saying little steps. So that means his vision is much, much bigger and higher. So can we all give a huge round of applause to all our visionaries and of course the future generation also. Thank you so much. I request all three of you to please take your seats, and thank you so much once again for sharing your vision here with us. And I would like to again thank you all for sharing your perspective here with us. So after this